1000 Day Crunch Challenge, and today we've been doing Rasta Crunchies. We got the whole family, man. Let's crunch it. We go 1, we go 2, man. I we go 3, we go 4. We're doing 5, we're doing 6. Come on, man, John. We got 7, we got 8, we got 9, and there we go, man. We got 10. That's the way we've been doing the Rasta Crunch. And don't you forget it, man. You got to crunch it, you got to record it, you got to post it, and nominate and donate, man. We catch you next time on the island. Bye-bye.